Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Skylanders Trap Team on iPad, updated. Start by installing the game and pairing your Trap Master portal, then power on the figures and follow the on-screen tutorial to register each Skylander. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and give the game permission to access local network features if prompted. This will let you place figures on the portal and bring characters into the game smoothly and reliably. Get comfortable with touchscreen controls and the virtual joystick early on, because mastering them makes combat feel natural. Tap attack and special ability buttons to chain combos, and swipe or tap to dodge incoming hits. Open the menu to equip gear and assign elemental Traptanium to enhance strengths. Practice with one Trap Master to learn unique abilities before swapping figures to exploit enemy weaknesses and environmental puzzles. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please consider subscribing and liking the video to help us make more helpful content. On another note, I want to mention a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs well with gaming goals like budgeting for gear and gadgets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Traps are the core mechanic, so focus on capturing villains and building a versatile roster you enjoy. Use captured traps to summon characters in battles, then level them up to unlock powerful moves and passive boosts. Tackle side missions to gain extra experience and gear, and revisit earlier levels with stronger Skylanders to find hidden secrets. This steady progression keeps gameplay fresh and rewards exploration and experimentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.